If you mistakenly delete this PC, okay, how can you restore that? Just find a blank space in desktop and make a right click on mouse and select personalization. So as you can see, here is an option called themes. Click on that. After that, select desktop icon settings. And here you can find several options like computer, user file, network. We need computer. Click on computer, click on apply, hit OK, and close the window. Boom. Here is our this PC. Just place it top on recycle. To get this kind of video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any kind of opinion, just let me know by comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until that, goodbye.